Welcome to YQ Academy Collections Framework Java Interview Questions and Answers. 1. What is Collections Framework? The Collections Framework in Java is a set of classes and interface that provide a standardized way to work with groups of objects, known as collections. It includes interface such as collection, list, set, queue, and map, along with their respective implementation classes. The framework offers a wide range of data structures, algorithms, and utility methods to handle and manipulate collections efficiently. 2. What is collection? A collection is an object that represents a group of elements. It provides a way to store, retrieve, manipulate, and process multiple objects as a single entity. The elements in a collection can be of any Java object type, including primitive types through the use of wrapper classes. 3. Difference between collection, and collections in Java. 1. Collection lowercase c. It is a general term used to refer to any object that represents a group of elements. It is an interface in the Java Collections Framework Java. Util. Collection that defines the basic behavior and operations for working with collections. Implementations of the collection interface, such as ArrayList, linked list, and hash set, provide concrete implementations of these behaviors. 2. Collection uppercase C. It refers to the Java Collections Framework itself, which is a set of interface and classes in the Java util package. These interface and classes define the standard behavior and operations for working with collections in Java. Some commonly used interface in the collections framework include collection, list, set, queue, and map. 3. Collections plural form. It is a utility class in the Java Collections Framework Java. Util. Collections that provides various utility methods for working with collections. It contains static methods that operate on or return collections, such as sorting, searching, and synchronization methods. The collections class is not related to the collection interface or the term collection in general. It is simply a utility class for performing common operations on collections. To summarize, collection is a general term for a group of elements. Collection refers to the interface and classes in the Java Collections Framework, and collections refers to the utility class that provides methods for working with collections. 4. Explain about collection interface in Java. The collection interface is a fundamental interface in the Java Collections Framework Java. Util. Collection that defines a contract for working with groups of objects. It is a part of the Java API and provides a common set of methods for manipulating and accessing elements in a collection. The collection interface defines methods for basic operations such as adding, removing, and querying elements in the collection. Some important methods include add, remove, contains, size, isEmpty, iterator, and torray. 5. List the interface that extends collection interface. 1. List represents an ordered collection of elements where duplicates are allowed. Implementations of list maintain the order of elements and allow positional access, insertion, and removal of elements. Examples of list implementations include ArrayList and linked list. 2. Set represents a collection of unique elements where duplicates are not allowed. Implementations of set ensure that each element is unique and provide methods for adding and removing elements based on their values. Examples of set implementations include hashset and treeset. 3. Queue represents a collection of elements in which the elements are processed in a specific order. The queue interface provides methods for adding elements to the end of the queue and removing elements from the front. Examples of queue implementations include linked list and priority query. 4. Deck represents a double-ended queue which allows adding and removing elements from both ends. It extends the queue interface and provides additional methods for inserting and removing elements at the beginning and end of the deck. Examples of deck implementations include linked list and array deck. 5. Sorted set represents a set of elements where the elements are ordered based on their natural ordering or a specified comparator. The sorted set interface provides methods for accessing the elements in sorted order and performing range-based operations. Examples of sorted set implementations include tree set. 6. Navigables extends the sorted set interface and provides additional methods for navigating the set and performing operations such as finding the closest elements, getting subsets, and performing floor and ceiling operations. Tree set implements the Navigables interface. 6. Explain list interface. The list interface in Java represents an ordered collection of elements where duplicates are allowed. It extends the collection interface and introduces additional methods that allow positional access, insertion, and removal of elements. Key features of the list interface. 1. Ordered collection. Elements in a list are stored in a specific order, which is determined by the order in which they are added. The order of elements is maintained, and each element can be accessed by its index. 2. Indexed access. Elements in a list can be accessed using their index. The index of the first element is 0, the index of the second element is 1, and so on. The getInt index method is used to retrieve the element at a specific index. 3. Duplicate elements. Unlike set implementations, list allows duplicate elements. Multiple elements with the same value can be added to a list, and they will be stored and retrieved in the order they were added. 4. Dynamic size. The size of a list can change dynamically as elements are added or removed. The size method returns the current number of elements in the list. 7. Explain methods specific to list interface. 1. Void addInt index element inserts the specified element at the specified position in the list. Any elements at or after the specified index are shifted to accommodate the new element. 2. Boolean addInt index collection C inserts all the elements in the specified collection into the list at the specified position. Elements at or after the specified index are shifted to accommodate the new elements. 3. getInt index returns the element at the specified position in the list. 4. int index of object O returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified element in the list. If the element is not found, it returns 1. 5. Int last index of object O returns the index of the last occurrence of the specified element in the list. If the element is not found, it returns 1. 6. List iterator returns a list iterator over the elements in the list. A list iterator allows bidirectional traversal of the list and supports modifying the list during iteration. List iterator index returns a list iterator over the elements in the list, starting at the specified index. 7. removeInt index removes the element at the specified position in the list and shifts any subsequent elements to the left. returns the element that was removed. 8. Key set int index D element replaces the element at the specified position in the list with the specified element. Returns the element that was previously at the specified position. 9. List sublist int from index int to index returns a new list containing elements from the specified from index inclusive to the specified to index exclusive. This is the end of our Java interview questions. We hope you enjoyed learning with YQ Academy. Until next time, goodbye.